Hello everyone and welcome to my Microsoft Excel course. First, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ulrich Unselt. I live in Germany and work for an authority in the city of Baden-Württemberg. Many years ago, me and my family lived in the Philippines on the island of Mindanao, more specifically in Digo City. I worked at Spamast, a state college, as an information of technology teacher. I miss this time as a teacher very much, and that is the reason why I want to pass on my Microsoft knowledge to you by using videos. We use Excel for calculations, create graphs, use as a database, bookkeeping, and so on. To start Microsoft Excel, double-click the Excel icon and from the following screen, select Blank Workbook. What can we see here on the monitor? At the top of the screen, you can see the title bar. It shows here at the upper left part the quick access bar. You can customize that by clicking this down arrow and select the commands you will add here or you will remove. Here you can read Book 1. That is the name of the saved document. At the right side of Book 1, you can see Excel, means the Excel application is opened. Here at the upper right bar, you can see minimize, maximize, and the close button. Below this title bar, you can see the menu bar. It includes 8 tabs with different commands and functions. Just click on it and you can see the commands there displayed here below this menu bar. Below the menu bar, you can see here the name box. This name box tells us that we are working at the position A1 at present. With this name box, we will work later. At the right side of this name box, you can see the formula bar with the name tells us it is used to edit values such as text or numbers or a formula. Below of this formula bar, we can see A, B, C, and so on. That are our columns, can be selected with the right or left arrow of the keyboard or by using the mouse. Just click on it. At the left side, there are located rows. Each row has a number. Rows can be selected with the keyboard up or down arrow, or you can select it by clicking on it. Where a column and a row meet, there is a cell. Cell has a name. This name is displayed at the name box. At present, it is A1. When I click another cell, then the value at the name box will change. First, the column is named followed by the row. The position of this cell has a cell reference. It is the value that is named at the name box. Cells are bounded by grid lines, which will be not printed later. So a cell is the position where text or other values are displayed when we start to type. Here below our cells we can see the table bar. Some say also it is named worksheet. It is nothing else than like a paper where we can make notes. On this paper we can see the name sheet 3. We can rename it. Just click on it with the right mouse button and select rename, and then type a new name, followed by pressing the enter key. To insert a new worksheet, just click on plus and then type a new name, rename it, followed by pressing the enter key. Another way to insert a new worksheet, click Insert, New Worksheet is selected, just click on OK. And then you can rename it in a way you like. Like you observed at the beginning, as we opened Excel, we could see only one worksheet here at the bottom. You can change that. You can set the number of worksheets when you start Excel. Just go to File, go to Options. General is selected. Here is written include this many sheets. At present I selected here 3. We can set here the values we need, like 1, like 4, followed by pressing OK. Next time when you open Microsoft Excel, you can see here at the bottom are displayed 4 sheets. Moving our worksheet, press the left mouse button, don't release, and move the sheet to the left, to the right, to the position you like. Delete a worksheet, right-click on the worksheet and select Delete. At the right side of this bar, you can see here the scroll bars, very easy to understand. Move down, move up, move to the right, move to the left, to the direction you need. When you move, you can see the column names will change, even the row numbers do also so. Zoom bar is below of the scroll bar here at the right side. Just click it to zoom your document. For my work, I use only or always 100%. So I want to show you one setting more. Many people or some people don't like to see here grid lines, the formula bar, or headings like ABC or 1, 2, 3. You can remove that. Just go to the View menu. There is written Show. Just remove grid lines, formula bar, and headings. And your screen is looking like that. In my opinion, it is very helpful for our daily work to use grid lines, formula bar, and the headings. So, how to select the cells? How to position this cursor at a cell that we can start to type by using the keyboard. Up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, left arrow. By using the mouse, just click on the cell where you want to start to type. We can move in another way by using the name box. Just let us say we will go to AA 500, followed by pressing the Enter key. Our cursor is displayed at AA 500. To go back, we can type again A1, followed by pressing Enter key. So that is one use of the name box. We can move in a very fast way to a cell we need. When you press this Enter key at your keyboard, then you can observe that the cursor is always moving down. If you don't like that, you can change it. Again, in the same way, File, Options. From this Options box, we select now Advanced. After pressing Enter, move Selection to the right, move it up, move it to the left. Just select the one you like, followed by clicking on OK. Let's check. Each time you click Enter, the cursor is moving to the direction you selected. File, Options, Advanced. I like it when the cursor moves down, so I select down here, followed by pressing the Enter key. So let us enter values into our results. The first value, Monday. Second value should be a date, 01/01/2023. And the last value we can take there, 120. Numbers or figures are displayed at the right side of a cell. Text is displayed at the left side of the cell. We can change that by going to Home menu. Here is our alignment. Just click the one alignment you like. If you want to change many alignments at one time, just drag the mouse above the cells and then select the alignment you like. So, like you can see here, there is a misspelling here. That is not Monday, that should be Monday. So just click the wrong spelling and look at the formula bar. There is written the value again. Just click at the position where you want to add a character and type the missing one. And it's already Monday. The same with the date. It shouldn't be 2023, it should be 2022. So just click the cell, look at the formula bar, click erase the wrong character, type the correct character, followed by pressing the Enter key. So sometimes it is necessary that we change the size of a column. To do so, we move the mouse between two columns to see this left and right looking arrow. Press left mouse button, don't release, drag to the left or to the right. And here you can see already a problem. Hash signs appear at the cell. It means the cell is too small or the column is too small to let this value appear. To do so, we just have to resize the column. Click, drag to the right side, and you can see your column again. Another way how we can size is we just double click this border here. Click it twice and the value appears. Another way how to resize a column, click it with the right mouse button and select column width. Type here the value you need. Let us check out the value 25, followed by clicking on OK or by pressing the Enter key. And the size of the column changed. When you select two columns or more, you can select it or you can change the size at once. It works in the same way with the row height. Move the mouse between two lines. When the double side arrow appears, then drag the mouse down. Another way, right-click on the row height, right-click on the row, select row height and type the value you need, followed by pressing the Enter key. So the next steps should be how we can highlight our cells, columns or rows. Why should we highlight? If we want to change a format like the font or the font size, we have to highlight at first. Like always, we can do that in two ways. The first way is to use our keyboard by using Shift and the arrow keys. For me, I never use the keyboard. I always use the mouse. Hold down the left mouse button, don't release, and drag the mouse over the cells. The same, you can highlight the columns. Hold the left mouse button, don't release, and highlight the columns, in this case to the right side. The same with the rows. Press left mouse button, don't release, and drag the mouse downward. Here, the values are written at different positions, not next to each other. How can we highlight that? Press at the keyboard Ctrl and click the values you want to select. Now you can change, for example, the font size. Another way, how can I highlight the complete worksheet? All the columns, all the rows you can see, and also the one you cannot see. There, below our name box, is a triangle. Just click it, and all the cells in the complete worksheet are highlighted. If you want to use the keyboard, So use Control and A in order to highlight all. So that's a little bit the basic. Let us do one thing more. It should be the basic arithmetic operations. How do we calculate now? How do we make easy calculations here in Excel? I prepared here some results. Calculations start always by using an equal sign. And then we click the first value. The cell reference is added automatically to our cell here. And it is division. So look at your keyboard at the right side. Divided by, multiply, minus, and plus. We need divided by. Then we click the last cell reference, followed by pressing the Enter key. In the same way, it works with multiplication. Start your formulas by using an equal sign. Click the first value, multiplied by, click the last value, followed by pressing the Enter key. Subtraction, equal sign, click the first value, minus, click the last value and press Enter key. Addition, equal sign, click the first value, click plus sign, click the last sign, the last cell reference, followed by pressing the Enter key. So the question will be, can I also calculate without using these cell references? Sure, I can. Equal sign, oops, sorry, we'll correct that. Equal sign 75 divided by 5, followed by pressing the Enter key. So it works, but why should I type here values 2 times? At first in the cells and then here once again. There must be one reason for that, why I shouldn't do that. One reason why I should use cell references. Let us say we want to change here this 75 to 50. And then look what there will happen with this 15. 50 followed by pressing Enter key. Like you can see, Excel recalculated this result here. So that is the main reason why we calculate by using cell references. We use cell references because Excel will change the result when we change the value in a cell. So that's the basic course now about Microsoft Excel. Soon there will come another video about Excel that shows the different ways how to calculate a total, how to calculate a sum. Till there, bye.